Hello students, I'm again here to teach you a new lesson, The Midnight Visitor by Robert J. Arthur. Yes, by Robert J. Arthur. And the characters, there are three characters. Ausable, a fat secret agent. Yes, Ausable was a fat secret agent. And Fowler, a writer who want to write a book on spies or secret agents. And the third one is Max, another secret agent who wanted to take important documents. Yes, important documents about missiles from Ausable. As we have to know first, Ausable was a talented secret agent, but the problem is he was so much fat. Fowler, the writer, didn't believe that a fat man can be a secret agent or a spy. Let's see the summary. Yes, Ausable was a secret agent. He was fat, but he had a sharp mind. मोटा था, फैट था, लेकिन उसका दिमाग बहुत तेज था. He had a room on 6th or top of the building, top of the floor, a French hotel. Yes, he lived at French hotel on 6th floor. Yes, 6th floor. Fowler was a writer. Fowler was a writer. And he wanted to write a book on spies or secret agents. And he went once with the Ausable in his room. Ausable told him about the report. Yes, that report is very confidential and important, in which from the beginning to end revolves around the story. Yes, report which he wanted to keep Ausable, but this Max wanted to take from Ausable. And now what happened? We see report for many men and women. Yes, men and women risk their lives. That report could change the course of history. हिस्ट्री बदल सकती थी वो बुक, इसलिए वो रिपोर्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थी. जो वो रिपोर्ट ऑज़बल के पास थी. ऑज़बल एक सीक्रेट एजेंट था जो इसे अपने पास रखना चाहता था ताकि कोई इसे ले ना ले. वो बहुत बहुत कॉन्फिडेंशियल थी. और एज दे both Max as well as Fowler, as they entered the room, means entered the room here refers to Ausable's room on top of the building, 6th floor. Ausable had a room in French hotel on 6th floor. So Ausable and Fowler both went to that place. And in his room, what they found? They found another secret agent, Max, there with the automatic pistol. Yes, he was with automatic pistol. And he threatened Ausable to handed him the report regarding missiles. And we should know that Ausable, our fat secret agent, yes, fat secret agent, was tactful, smart, a good schemer. He threatened him by saying that he would complain to him regarding hotel management, regarding balcony cases, because last month too somebody came to his room through balcony, and this time he wanted to show Max that there was a balcony. Actually, there was no balcony in French hotel. He wanted to took him in confidence. And what happened next? That was really, really surprising. There was a loud knocking at the door. Ausable told that there was police, and he needed their help because he had some secret report, and he needed protection of the police. And Max got nervous, terrified, and he wanted to go through window to hide himself in the balcony, but there was no balcony. But Ozable made him realized that there was a balcony. So in hurry, he jumped through window, and there was no balcony, and he died. They heard loud screaming, and what happened next? They at the door there was a waiter with the bottle of wines. Yes, with a bottle of wine. And to the surprise, the fat agent, yes, fat agent proved himself that he was not even the best secret agent, but also a tactful good schemer. So here a good quote you can use is, appearances are deceptive. Appearances are deceptive. आप जैसे दिखते हैं ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप वैसे ही हो. जो व्यक्तिगत रूप से, जो फिजिकल रूप से आप दिखते हो, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो आपका व्यक्तित्व भी, आपका नेचर भी, आपका स्वभाव भी, आपकी डीलिंग भी वैसे ही हो. I hope you understood. Thank you, students. That's all for now.